Today's 10-click challenge is going to be from here in Central Park. And yeah, so the object is just to take 10 pictures. No do-overs, no safety shots. And I'm going to be using my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So here we go. Okay, so this is one of my favorite things to see in Central Park. It's also the oldest thing you can see in Central Park. This is an authentic Egyptian obelisk donated to the city of New York by the Egyptian government way back in so the obelisk, this Egyptian obelisk, is behind the Metropolitan Museum on 5th Avenue. So that's our first shot. Pretty cool. Very pretty cool. Okay, onward. The object behind this 10-click challenge, no matter what device you're using, camera, cell phone, doesn't matter, is to become more thoughtful in your photo taking efforts. You have to really think about the picture you're taking. Is it the one you want? So now we're coming up on Belvedere Castle, which is not a real castle. I suppose it's what qualifies as a folly, which basically means a fake castle. So I want to get best shot I can get. Let's see what we can do. So, might not be too tricky. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Let's see what we got. Alright. The point of this exercise is to make you see the scene better. See the picture. Not just snap a picture, but really figure, let's say you were using film and it was your last frame left. Do I want to take this picture? Is this the best picture I can take of this scene? And when you think like that, the hope is that you'll end up with much better pictures. So that's what the 10-click challenge attempts to achieve. nice. This is the, well, this is going to be the memorial that was put in place when John Lennon was assassinated over here on Central Park West. And I believe that was the building he lived in. Okay. Attracts me like no other lover. Somewhere in a style. So we're up to number 5 with our little visit to Strawberry Fields. So now, okay. Oh, good. I know where we are. So our next stop is going to be a very famous place in Central Park that you've probably seen in countless movies, TV shows. Bethesda Terrace. So a lot of people come through here and they don't look up, and then they'll miss this beautiful tile ceiling. So actually, I'm not going to take that from there.
Alright, so stand over here, guys. Stand right here. Dad, stand over there.
But yes, this is the famous Bethesda fountain. Pretty cool. Okay. So up there on the upper part of the terrace, that's where I'm going to take the picture from. Okay. And very conveniently, the middle part is open. Okay, that was number 7. I wish they'd stop this horse riding thing. horse-drawn carriage, rather. Especially in the heat. Okay. Okay, so photo number 8 is coming up in I want to say 2018. Me and my lady went to Edinburgh, and a favorite son of Scotland is Robbie Burns, and we have a statue of him. So let's see how we do here. Oh, let's get it in photo mode. All right. Okay, I think this is going to be number 9. Let's just go over here a little bit so you can see the view. Let's get a little more video here. Okay, on to our last shot. Then I can wrap this up. Go home for lunch. Okay. Made it. Whew. Okay, I think this will be number 10. Let's see. Cool. So that was my 10-click challenge in Central Park. Hope we saw some good sights, got some good pictures, and thank you for coming along. See you next time.